Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using ESPlanner's retirement planning tool. ESPlanner offers a robust and granular approach to retirement planning, perfect for those seeking a highly personalized and precise financial roadmap. It's an excellent choice for individuals who enjoy delving into their financial data and exploring the potential impact of various economic factors on their retirement journey. Unlike more generalized retirement planning tools, ESPlanner provides a highly customizable experience, empowering you to craft a comprehensive financial strategy tailored to your specific lifestyle aspirations and current financial standing. A key differentiator of ESPlanner is its sophisticated consumption smoothing algorithm. This unique feature calculates the optimal way to manage your finances throughout your lifetime, striving to maintain a consistent standard of living. It incorporates a wide array of variables, including inflation, tax implications, estimated life expectancy, social security benefits, pension income, and housing costs, to project a detailed picture of your financial future. This forward-thinking approach allows you to make well-informed decisions regarding spending, saving, and investment strategies, ultimately optimizing your financial well-being in retirement. It's an ideal solution for users who prioritize a mathematically rigorous plan grounded in data, rather than relying on broad generalizations. Furthermore, ESPlanner boasts an array of advanced features, such as Monte Carlo simulations for thorough risk assessment and scenario planning, detailed tax modeling, and a comprehensive analysis of potential social security strategies. This level of detail makes it an invaluable tool for individuals navigating complex financial situations or those wishing to explore a wide range of potential outcomes. It's particularly beneficial for individuals approaching retirement who need to fine-tune their strategies, and for those wanting to assess the potential ramifications of significant financial decisions, like downsizing their home or rebalancing their investment portfolios. In conclusion, ESPlanner is a premium choice for anyone committed to in-depth retirement planning and seeking greater control and customization over their financial future. It's best suited for users comfortable with data analysis and who are motivated to explore every facet of their retirement strategy. If this resonates with you, explore the product links in the description below to learn more and begin your journey with ESPlanner.